welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making spaghetti and meatballs. And let's get started. So the ingredients are spaghetti, meatballs, Haitian epis, carrot, sweet pepper, onions, pepper, sauce. What is this?
That's epis also, but not Haitian epis.
Epis?
It's like a seasoning.
And this. What is this?
That's Maggie.
Maggie. Now we're gonna start mixing everything. First the meatballs.
Okay, put it in the oil. Be careful.
This?
It's a little hot.
I don't want to.
You're not gonna get burned. Put it here. Put another one.
No, I want to do it. Because I'm a big girl.
Then let me do it. Let me put for you. Put in the oil.
Wait. Sorry. Put all the meatballs?
No, we're gonna put maybe 6. Okay, that's enough.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have to stir it.
Where? How? Like this? Whoa. It moves. I burnt a little bit. I got burnt a little bit.
Okay.
Now what we do next?
We have to wait for it to get a little color so we can add the other stuff. Be careful. You got this? Okay. So now, what you gonna put?
This.
Okay.
So
Just put it. You can put it with your hands or you can just dump it. Not one by one, Mama.
all of them.
So what else you gonna put?
This.
Okay.
How do it?
Just pour it. Just pour it in here. Pour it.
Pour it. I don't want to get burnt. It's breaking. Looks nasty.
A little bit.
Yeah. I don't want to open it. Let me see.
we're gonna put the sauce.
Now we're gonna put the sauce.
You have to put a little more.
Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put the water. A little bit more water. We're gonna put water again. A little bit more water.
And then we're gonna let it boil.
Yes.
So you're going to taste it and tell me if it's missing something.
Tastes good.
That's not missing anything?
No.
You think so?
Yeah. It's not missing nothing.
It's missing salt.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put what?
Pepper. Cayenne pepper. Now we're gonna put the seasoning. Now we're gonna stir it a little bit. Now we are gonna do the pasta. Now we're gonna dump it in. Some of them are standing up. That's
how it's gonna look if you don't cut it.
yeah.
So you don't like to cut it.
Now we're gonna stir it.
Okay. So remember, guys, we are making this the Haitian way. Okay, the Haitian way.
Oh, they're popping! Look at those bubbles!
So now we're gonna cover it again
Cover it again.
and let it cook.
Yes. Now we're gonna put in the pepper. Now we're gonna put it in. Ouch. There's some more pepper. Now we're gonna mix it. Looks so good.
Look at the meatballs.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put the onions.
Good job.
Now time to pour it. So now we're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna cover it again. And then when it's done cooking, we're gonna put the eggs.
We're gonna put the eggs together?
No.
Okay.
When it's done, we're gonna put the eggs.
Okay.
So now it's time to taste.
You taste first.
Okay.
It's just not hot. Ooh, this is super hot. Oh my God. That's too much.
Okay. Wait. Mmm.
You think you did a good job? Let me see if you did a good job. This is my food, y'all. My daughter cooked for me today. But that's a lot of food, Mama.
Yeah. I get us.
So, okay, so my daughter cooked for me. It's time to test. Let's test. Do you think you did a good job?
Yes.
I'm gonna test again.
Just tasted already.
No lies, it's good. For the first time, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.